Hey everybody, welcome back to the episode on Mighty Mall Shop Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you a DeSoto update and this package that has been in the mail for a while and has kept my DeSoto update postponed. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so let's hop into this unboxing here. I got this from Scale Motorsports, the super detailed kit, and they do other stuff like decals and whatnot. I'm assuming this is a sticker, a shop card, so yeah, www.scalemotorsport.com if you want to get some of these cool items that I've acquired. Thank you for the note, appreciate that, Matthew. And it's kind of ironic, sort of makes sense that their attention to detail is on point with this packaging. It's really nice. So what I've got here is a saw tool set, and this is what I'll be using for my DeSoto for cutting out doors. There's some larger grit there, and there's super fine grit. I don't know if you can see that on the bottom ones. They're super fine. And then there's these half round ones, half round ones too. And we got 11 reusable stainless steel scriber blades. So I will be using these to scribe the trunk and the other door for the DeSoto. And yeah, so that's what has been holding the DeSoto updates back for a while. Speaking of DeSoto updates, though, I will show you what we have got in store. So I've hit it with primer a couple times, and I've puttied the front of the hood a bit, sanded it down, and repeated that process a lot. I've also gone ahead and primered the body too, after doing many coats of putty. And as you can see here, I sanded down the tail fins so they're taller now, which is exactly what I needed. So just making the tail fins more pointier and taller. I've kind of started to barely scribe some of these, like the trunk has been scribed a few times. I tried cutting out this the driver's side door with, hold on, let's see if I can grab it. Oh, it's right here. With this huge saw blade, and this is what the Scale Motorsport stuff is, basically. It's like this saw blade right there. This saw blade's like really old in comparison to these. But that's why I got it, because this thing doesn't work very well with this small door. So I'll be using that from now on, as I learned. I really should have taken my time with this, but I'm kind of an idiot, and I started rushing through it. So I used, what's it called? A lighter and a normal blade, and started cutting on the plastic, and it started melting as per expected. So yeah, I'm not very smart, but I can probably just rebuild it with styrene, which I will be doing most likely, because that is pretty wrecked up there, which is a bit of a bummer, but it didn't damage the major hold point for the hood or the roof. See, so much nicer on this side, but I mess it up on that side. So yeah, I'll be fixing that up. And I showed everything here. I puttied the front a couple more times, get that real defined and up in there. Oh yeah, this thing broke off a few times, so it's kind of not bent properly, but I'm just gonna epoxy the front grille on. When it comes to final assembly, it's probably gonna be the last piece I put on. So I'll just go in here and epoxy it and stick it on good. Bam. Bam. But yeah, so that is. Oh wait, I got this engine. I scratch built sort of like an air cleaner and intake or something like that. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but on the photos online, it's kind of just a whole bunch of stuff in one place. I don't know what any of it is, as I've never really researched into DeSoto engines per se. But yeah, so that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me, and I'll see you guys next one. Goodbye.